What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today is absolutely the last day that I have to make my decision if I want to send this device in to Samsung as a trade-in for this device right here. So Samsung's giving me $900 for this device. I only paid $470 for it when I got it with a trade-in. They're giving me, I'm only paying 50 bucks for the Z Flip 5, and I also got a pair of earbuds, the Buds 2 Pro, for 50 bucks. So the whole total on this order for this was 100 bucks. So whole total savings of almost $1,000. So not too bad. But in my previous video talking about this device right here, I told you guys that I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this trade. In my opinion, this is the better device right here. It has a lot of features on it that the Z Flip 5 doesn't have. One of them being the S Pen, which I'm a person that uses my S Pen a lot on my device. It also has a bigger display. It has the better cameras, especially that zoom camera on there. And it also has Samsung DeX. So bigger battery and stuff like that. But battery life hasn't been bad on this one either. So this is the better phone in my opinion right here. Now the Z Flip 5 doesn't have an S Pen. It doesn't have Samsung DeX and a few other features that this one has. But it has its own features that are unique to it as well. So you have things like flex mode, where you can record yourself, or you can look at different content without needing a stand case or anything like that. You can also use your rear cameras on here as your main cameras with the feature that they have, so you can see yourself with this. It also is a small portable compact device here. And you also have this front display right here where if you don't need to open up your device, you can view all of your content that you have right here on the front display. So it has its own great features as well. Now what I have to decide is, are those features the features that I have on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, are they going to be features that I'm going to miss, that I'm just not going to be able to keep going every day? And you know, so neither one of these phones has my main SIM in it. My main SIM is in this device right here. Let me get it out of my pocket. My main SIM lives in this device here, the Google Pixel Fold. I absolutely love this device right here. This is the best device that I have right now in my 4 devices that I use: iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Z Flip 5, and also my tablet right back there that we're going to talk about. So no, I won't use it. Now occasionally I was using my Samsung S23 Ultra to shoot videos. It has great cameras on it, like I said, and video recording is great on this. So I recently bought this camera that I'm shooting this video with, rebought it again. This is the Sony ZV-1, and so that takes care of that as far as shooting my videos. But when out and about, I think these cameras will be great for me. I have an iPhone, and the Pixel takes very great, very awesome photos. So the iPhone outside videos are great. So I don't think I'll miss the cameras as much as I thought here. Now, as far as content creation that I use this for, the S Pen and all that, well, that's where this comes in. This is the main reason why I bought the 11-inch tablet. It's small, portable, and it has the S Pen right here. So a lot of things that I've been using my Galaxy S23 Ultra for, the Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet has replaced that. So if I send this device in, I'm not going to miss it as much as I thought. Like I said, neither one of these phones has my main SIM in it. They're not my daily driver. This one has, I'm using this with Mint Mobile, the Z Flip 5. So it's my second device right now. So although this is a better camera, a better phone here, I think I'm going to go ahead and send it in. Now, a lot of people are going to say, man, that is the dumbest thing in the world to do, but I've been known to bring devices back. I think the $50 that I paid for this, almost the $900 that they're giving me, I think that's the way I'm going to go right now. So if I was using this as my daily driver and I didn't have the tablet, then I definitely wouldn't be sending it in. But yeah, I got to say so long to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I really have grown to love this lime color as well. And like I said, I've been known to pick devices back up again. You never know, you can find a used one on Swapper or something like that. But I'm going to roll with this one until the S24 comes out, and then that's how we're going to go. So the S23 Ultra is gone. We're going to stick with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I know it's not as robust. It doesn't have as many features as the S23 Ultra, but this is what I'm going to rock with. It's unique in its own aspect, and I can always throw my main SIM in it and get along just fine. And for doing all the other stuff that the S23 Ultra was doing, my tablet's going to work out, except for the cameras. You know, I'm going to miss the cameras on there and the portability. You can put this in your pocket. So, all right, guys, Will H, I'm out.